weight loss is something that is, very important, very keen to men, to women. Everybody wants to lose weight. Everybody wants to, have a healthy weight. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how I lost weight in the space of 1 year. You're welcome to my channel. I'm Delicious Army over here. I give you healthy tips that help you, live a healthy and a normal life. So if you like what I do here, do well to like, do well to subscribe, my beautiful people. Now let me put this disclaimer out there. These are things that worked for me and I know will, definitely work for you. So guys, let's start this video. As at when I started trying to lose weight, I was weighing 84 kg, and I felt no, I've added a lot of weight, and I told myself no, I need to lose some weight. And currently, as I'm talking to you, I am weighing 66 kg. Yes, I know you say I've not lost too much. I've lost too much, and I'll be telling you how I was, able to lose that amount of weight. Very, 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 very healthy amount of weight. Now, mind you, like I said, my tips might not work for you if you have certain health conditions or if you are under certain medications. These tips will only work for people who, are not under heavy medications or do not have certain health conditions that, prevent them from losing weight. Health conditions like PCOS and the rest. So guys, how did I, manage to lose weight without doing any extreme exercise? The first thing I do is in the morning, I take water. Yes, something as easy as taking water. The first thing I do in the mornings, I take water. I drink water first thing in the morning, and I do my flat tummy water. After taking water, I take my flat tummy water. I'll be putting a picture of what my flat tummy water looks like on the screen here, and I walk around my estate. You might say walking around. Yes, what that thing does is the water I take in the morning helps to clear all those toxins that were in my system overnight. Then that flat tummy water with the nutrient in it helps, clear any remaining toxin in the lower part of my tummy. And me walking around my estate really helps, kickstart my body mechanism. And after I walk around my estate, I come back home, I eat 2 boiled eggs. Yes, 2 boiled eggs. 2 boiled eggs. Why? Because eggs have a high amount of protein. High amount of protein that really help with weight loss. I always say if you want to lose weight, eat at least 2 to 4 eggs a day. Yes, so I eat 2 boiled eggs in the morning. After eating those boiled eggs in the morning, I then eat my breakfast. Mind you, I would advise if you're trying to lose weight, eat less of starchy food. If you're trying to lose weight, rice is the number one, the number one factor that prevents a lot of women, a lot of men from losing weight. Why? Because rice is very starchy. And if you're someone that have a slow metabolism, your body will not be able to break down that starch, very fast, or your body will not be able to break down that starch in a way that you will not, it will not go and store it, as cholesterol. I'm trying to use layman language so that everybody can understand how I, was able to, trim down. Yes, so what do? I eat basmati rice or I eat white rice. White rice has more fiber because of the fiber on the husks, and basmati rice has less calorie and has less starchy content. So if you're trying to lose weight, like I said earlier, eat less of starchy food. For rice, people say, oh, if you're trying to lose weight, do not eat rice. I will not say do not eat rice because rice is a staple food here in Nigeria, but I will say eat more basmati rice or eat more of wild rice. I will not say eat more of jasmine rice because jasmine rice also has a considerable amount of starch. But I'll say eat basmati, Indian basmati, and also white rice. Here in Nigeria, if you cannot afford white rice, I will say eat brown rice, which is ofada rice or this abakaliki rice that still has, that brown husks around the rice grains. Yes, that is where the fiber contents are coming in from. And also I will say eat more of soup. When I say soup, I'm talking about leafy soup. Because I wanted to lose weight, I started eating more vegetable soup, which is water leaf and pumpkin leaf. I started eating more of water leaf and afang, editan bitter leaf soup that has lots of bitter leaf. If you're trying to lose weight, you will have to say goodbye to your egusi soup. You have to say goodbye to your bono. Even if you want to eat egusi, you will now put a lot of vegetable, a lot of vegetable in your soups. If you decide you still want to eat egusi, because egusi has a high oil content in it, has a high cholesterol content, which are a bit healthy. But I would say if you're trying to lose weight, now start incorporating a lot of vegetables in your soup. If possible, eat more of vegetable soup, pumpkin soup, ugu, edikaikong, afang, editan, atama. Just eat soups that have more of vegetables. And also for your swallow, I would say eat plantain swallow. Unripe plantain. Yes, these are things that I did, and I'll be putting picture differences and how I was able to achieve this healthy weight I have now. Eat more of plantain swallow. You should not be eating gari, because gari has a high starch content. And why I'm saying do not eat more of gari is because you might not be able to burn out that excess fat. So to be on the safe side, eat plantain swallow, oatmeal swallow. This wild oatmeal swallow. Plantain swallow has a high amount of fiber, and our body likes fiber. When you give your body fiber, it finds it very easy to break it down, and it finds it very, very easy to convert it to carbohydrates that your body can easily burn out. Okay, and not just that, I will say watch your eating times. After 10 o'clock, do not eat. After 9, do not eat. At least stop eating 3 hours before it's your sleeping time. When you go to sleep and you still have undigested food in your system, that is where all that accumulated calories, comes in. And also, if you have not tried apple cider vinegar, I would say you need to try it. But if you're trying apple cider vinegar, make sure you take it in the right proportion, and make sure you always dilute it. In another video, I'll be telling you how to use apple cider vinegar, in losing weight. And also another tip that can help you to lose weight is eat pineapple. Eat fruits that help to break down starch. Eat fruits that helps to break down protein. Pineapple is an example. Pineapple is one fruit that when you take in the evening before you go to bed, let's say 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed, you notice by morning you're already pulling everything out. Drink a lot of water. I would say for protein, eat more of chicken. Eat lean protein. Reduce your beef intake, reduce your pork intake, eat more of chicken. When I say chicken, native chicken. I'm not talking about this chicken they sell in the supermarket. I'm talking about native fowl, hen, that native one that has less of fat. Yes, they will do a lot of good for you. If you're rich enough, you can eat snails. Snails are also lean protein, and fish, just like salmon. I will not say mackerel, because mackerel are highly fatty fish, especially if you don't get the original brand. But the quality brand of mackerel has a large amount of omega-3, omega-6, omega-9, which is very, very, very healthy for the normal human metabolism. I'll also say get a very nice feminine supplement. I will put a supplement I take here that has also helped me over the years, and that is how I've been able to achieve a healthy weight. I will also say sleep more. If you have a job that permits you to sleep in the afternoon, take siesta times. Even if it is 2 hours, 2.5 hours, try to sleep. When you don't sleep well, you are not going to lose weight. Yes, when you sleep well, when I say sleep, quality sleep at night, these factors really, really, really help in losing weight. I hope with these few tips I've given you, you will find them very, very useful. And if there's anyone you feel you think I need to add or subtract, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to share my meal plan with you, feel free to join my channel membership over there. You can have personal contact with me, and we'll rub minds together. That's all I have for you in this video. I remain Delicious Army. Like I said over here, we do healthy life, healthy lifestyle, healthy living. Thanks for watching to this very point. Do also like, do also subscribe. I will definitely see you in my next one, guys. Bye.